Please read this disclaimer carefully before proceeding further.
Welcome traders to this week's analysis of DXY dollar index. My name is Vic. Thanks for joining me here. We have just finished our July month and then August has started. So let's start our analysis from monthly time frame and see what we have. If I'm looking at what I envisage, what it is showing me that there was a signal here on what I envisage, which is telling me that the market is ultimately going to go higher into this target, which is 94.915, and this is where the water curve is. And if you have been following my analysis for some time, you know that we are looking for that target ultimately anyway. So it is like sooner or later it is expected to rise higher into that target, and that conflicts nicely with a fib level as well, and that means we are looking for a bullish trade. However, the way this candle has finished in the month of July, this leaves us with the possibility that market can actually come back down before going higher. And by doing that, let me give you an approximate level where it can fall to. So if I put this line, horizontal line, at the water wave, on the touch of water wave, so near about 90.6 or 90.7, near about that level, you will notice that that level is also kind of like structure level previously. So it is possible that in the month of August it can come back down, test that water wave, and then start to go back up. So 90.6 or 90.7 is an important level for us to watch out for. However, we have got a signal, so our bias will still be bullish on multi-month basis. The market is expected to reach this water curve, and after that we'll see that the market will try to come back down. Until that happens, this is still a possibility, but in the month of July, watch out for this 90.6 or 90.7 area or so. If I go to the weekly time frame, what has happened is that market has created a bullish signal here. So we still have this target open, which is 94 level. Market can come there, but you see right now, as we look at it, the market is going sideways. We are running inside a channel now, which means that market can actually fall down, come back to the mid of the channel, at least where we have like 90.67 or something like that, and then go back up. So unless we see something like this, like closing above this this midpoint, or just breaking through this, we cannot anticipate 94 target to be reached. The market can fall down and then start to go back up. Remember, this is multi-week basis, so it can take several weeks to happen. Market does not always move in the same direction in the straight line. It can go up and down, up and down. So this signal that we have got on weekly time frame is still valid if it falls down to 90.6 or 90.7. If it goes beyond this candle, which showed the signal, and gives us a different signal, like bearish signal, then only this bullish signal will be invalidated. Okay, so right now this is still bullish, but we can have a fall into this level here. Before that, if it starts to go down, before that, this water curve can actually act as support here. So let me actually put a line there. This can also act as support near about 91 area or so, can act as support. We have an engulfing candle forming on weekly basis. That means the market is bearish on weekly time frame, and it is expected to fall down. If I go to the daily time frame, this is what has happened. The market created a wedge kind of pattern here. It broke through it, and at the same time we got a very good sell signal here, and the market was able to reach the profit target here. The white dot is the profit target, and at the same time the water curve acted as support. That's why I started to go back up. But you see the trend is still down. Everything is red at the moment, so that means the market can still fall back down, and that is why this support area of 91.6 is a good one. And then we also have 90.7 or 90.6 area where we have previous structure support as well. That is also a very good area to look for a support. Or if you're looking for a short, then these can act as your profit targets as well. Now if I go to the 4-hour time frame, what has happened is the market has fallen down, obviously, this has been falling down, and now we have a signal to go higher. So what can we expect? We can expect market to, if the market opens positively on dollar index, then it is expected to reach this profit target level, this white dot, and maybe water curve as well. and then after that we can expect market to fall back down. Okay, because why? Because we have this bullish, this is green, we have got signal, and the market is kind of like going in a correction mode. So this is impulse and this is a correction which is expected to happen. Once this correction is over, then we can expect it to fall back down. So watch out how the market is opening this week, and if the market opens and starts to go higher, then we can take the profit here and then start to look for a short position into the dollar index. Another thing to note when we go to the chart, actually let's go to the chart right now so that I can show you what has happened. So this is the initial chart. We have been following the same analysis. I haven't changed the chart for weeks now, and it has been working nicely. So this is the gap which was left, and I knew that at some point in time the market was going to come and fill this gap up. Similarly, we have a gap left at this point in time, which is also near about same level as the previous ones. It's near about 90.6 level where we have a gap. So ultimately, if the market starts to fall down, then all of these levels or gap or zones will act as a support levels and zones, but it can reach this 90.6 level as well in coming weeks or maybe months as well. So watch out for that. This is the first support zone where the market can actually find a little bit of support. This is the previous FCP zone which has also acted as support. This is the next one. I will post this chart in the Telegram group if you want, so that you are aware of these levels. If the market starts to go higher, then we have these levels first to look for, and then if the market actually goes beyond this, then I'll update further, and because that will be a new structure here. For now, these levels are still valid and they will act as support and resistance for you. So hope you enjoyed this analysis. Make sure you hit the like button and support this channel for free analysis to come, and share it with the other traders and trading communities as well, because they can also benefit from the same analysis. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a great trading week next week.
If you're interested in learning how to analyze the markets the way I do using Fibonacci Confluence, then head over to wikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see Core Strategy Training Program. On this page you'll be able to see the testimonials of previous students and also look at the brochure. The brochure has a lot more information, including the course structure and the Fibonacci Confluence Training Program curriculum. This is a very extensive program in which we cover basic core Fibonacci concepts along with the advanced concepts to analyze the markets with high probability. If you're interested in joining this program, come to wikinsa.com, and under training section you'll be able to see and submit this form.